Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Prestun Tensong henne kesngi habayakran makinong thok khobor ula kerpat ya kinong Shong de Madan banye trailang bat banwanra ekijing kibakia kendu haka komiti Kaba ka komiti kan sele ya ka kamram sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ula ongru baka Sorkar kamberet yaki namar kis ngau ya ka kamai ka kaji jongki pat ba Kajela henre katkum ka an ka Sorkar ka bot rinti yaka Uba Prestun ulo ongru ba ka Kaba kilale ka na ka Bynta ka Jingbha jongki bat Phinumlap baka Sorkar kan Shimkhia na ka Bynta kinong Shong de Madan Kaba ka Sorkar kan Aish po hajar Shaki bat ru hajar shishi banai na ka Bynta san banai.
Well, I think even today the drive is on. And see, let me just tell you one thing. I don't know why people create this kind of problem. Meeting was held. That vending committee has already had a detail of meeting, a series of meeting, and a detail also was worked out. And blueprint was also there. Of course, maybe initially those names which was not considered due to the paperwork where they don't have, ultimately they were not considered to be entitled to that COB, the certificate of vendors. So, but as I said to you, this committee keeps sitting every now and then. So therefore, the decision taken by this committee last time, it is only to implement the decision taken by them, which I personally feel, even from government side, we feel that it is high time that we have a dedicated place for the vendors throughout Shillong.
But now hawkers are unhappy. In fact, yesterday between the secretariat and they are unhappy with the entire thing. So what do you?
You tell me which entire thing? What entire thing? You tell me. They are not happy. What? Whether provisional or permanent is it's all the same. It is functional. So and then they are also part of that committee. It's not that only government officials were there. Even from their side, the rest of the hawkers. So therefore, I would only request the vendors cooperate. Bring all your issues in this committee. Committee will take care of all the issues. And from the government side also, we don't want to just throw them out. We understand the livelihood of our people. But we, as per the act, since the act is in place, we have to also follow strictly the act and the rules of that act, which is being implemented by the state government. That how do I know? That let us see what will be the ruling of the court tomorrow. See, I'm telling you, it is not that we wanted to victimize the hawkers. In fact, this is done for their own goods. And can you imagine? I think our spokesperson, Mr. Polando, yesterday he must have already explained to all of you. You will not find the government who really thinking seriously about the interests of the hawkers. See, like shifting allowance. We decided to give them 10,000 rupees, and plus, once they shifted to that designated place, again, initially for 5 months, 2,000 per month will be paid to the concerned registered COBs. Huh? Well, I think nobody can take the law in their own hand, and let the law prevails. And whether HNLC or anybody who just give that kind of threat, government is there to protect them.
And what about the extortion by 13 groups to the business that was there in the police?
No, if it is there, if there is any kind of collection of fund or money illegally by any group of people, by any individual, law again will take action accordingly. We have to.
But since a lot of demand, lot of social news have come forward into various viral.
No, that has been done. That's what I'm telling. Whatever we receive to the once the letter, the demand note or whatever, if the concerned individual send it to us, then action will be taken accordingly. But the problem is sometimes even those people who receive such letter or such demand, they never complain, they never inform the government machinery. So I would request all the concerned, in case if they receive any kind of demand note from anywhere, please come forward, inform the government, and action will be taken accordingly.
Will there be any two-method option in this regard?
Yes, it is. It is. That is the ongoing process we are doing it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.